Hello my technical friends, we are in Testout Linux Pro 2.2.4 and we are going to get help. So you are a student learning how to use Linux. Your teacher has given you the assignment to learn how to use a few basic commands. Complete this lab from the terminal. In this lab, your task is to learn the options available for the kill all command. Then you're going to answer question 1. Learn the options available for the user ID command. Answer question 2. Learn the options available for the username command, and then answer question 3. Alright, so let's all start lab. Okay, so we'll just wait for the lab to load. So in case you have further questions on how to solve other lab, you might want to consider joining my professional membership, where you get exclusive perks and detailed video on how to solve any test out lab, and you also get one-on-one video lessons on how to pass any of the compTIA test out lab. Alright, so we are in the lab. Let us start up right away. Alright, so let's see, all our task is on the left pane. So let's see the questions that we have first. Which options can be added to the killer command to kill a process group instead of just a process? Alright, so this is the correct answer to this, -G. What does the -M switch do when used with the user add command? This is going to be the home directory is not created regardless of system settings. What is the result of adding -G to the user mode command as a single option? Okay, so the correct answer to this is going to be, let's see, the user is assigned a new list of supplementary group. Alright, so we just minimize this. Okay, so we open our terminal and then we'll start up. So in the terminal, you are going to type in user add space -- help, then press enter, and you see a list of help commands are listed here. So from here you can select which of the help you need. So here I'm going to type in user mode space -- help and press enter. So just like before, I have the list of help I need. I'll go ahead and score lab. Now, if you find this video to be helpful, remember to share so that others can benefit also. Like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will definitely see you in my next video.